Okay, we're now getting Hollywood type rain here at home in the unincorporated area of Patterson. And there's my car I'll be driving. It's a 98 Pontiac Bonneville. So that's me driving. And yes, if it moves in, you can see it's actually pouring rain. So as you know, in Hollywood, rain is either hard pouring rain or nothing, because I can never film lighter rain for the movies. So it's always downpour. Either it's not or just downpouring in Hollywood films. And there's the fifth wheel that where me and Elizabeth live now. And there's, I guess, Garnet Beth lives across the street on Del Parte Canyon Road. And there's the workshop. And of course, we're really exciting. There's my left toe. So focus. Let's focus a bit. Oh, there it is. There's my left toe. I'm sure that's exciting. Okay, that's it. Okay, bye.